Our commitment to our clients is like family. We don't look upon our clients as transactions or numbers. Once we're retained, we go right to the scene. We make sure and hire the best team of investigators and experts to make sure we have the best case for our clients. We have been privileged to represent a lot of people that needed our services, and we've gone through the wars of litigation against some of the largest trucking companies, largest logistics companies in the country and throughout the world. We want to make sure that people understand that we are committed to them, that we care about them, and that we make sure that we do the very best job on our case. When we're contacted regarding a serious injury trucking crash, what we do is we'll go to you. We want to make sure that you're not required to come to us and meet our schedule, we meet your schedule.
I felt that he put my interests first. It was no longer a transaction between attorney and client. We built a relationship. Having that person on your front line of support is incredible.